Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I request you to please click on the subscribe button immediately. For today's recipe, I'm going to take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm then going to add 2 medium-sized onions to it. After adding the onions, I'm now going to fry this for about 4 minutes on medium flame until the onions become nice and soft. After 4 minutes, once the onions become nice and soft, I'm then going to add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After adding the ginger garlic paste, I'm then going to mix it with the onions until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away, I'm then going to add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Along with that, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. I'm now going to be mixing all the spices really well with the onions. After mixing the spices really well with the onions, I'm then going to add 250 grams of keema to it. After adding the keema, I'm then going to mix this really well with the onions. After mixing it really well with the spices, you would have noticed here that the color of the spices has now moved on to the keema. Here I'm now going to be frying it for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, once the keema has been cooking, I'm now going to add 2 medium-sized potatoes to it. After adding all the potatoes, I'm then going to once again mix it really well with the keema. After mixing the potatoes with the keema, I'm then going to add the salt as per taste. After adding the salt as per taste, I'm then going to mix it really well and cover it with a lid and let it cook for a period of 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm then going to add a puree of 2 tomatoes to it. After adding the puree of 2 tomatoes, I'm then going to mix it really well with the potato and the keema. Along with the tomatoes, here I'm also going to add 1 green chilli. You can additionally add another green chilli depending on the spice. After adding the green chilli, I'm then going to mix this really well once and let it cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Before letting it cook for another 5 minutes, here I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. And then mix it with the keema and potatoes and then let it cook for a period of 5 minutes while mixing it from time to time so that the keema does not get cooked. After cooking it for 5 minutes, you can then check if the potatoes are soft. If it is, you can then add the coriander leaves here. Along with the coriander leaves, you can also add some lime juice here. And after adding the coriander leaves and the lime juice, you can then just mix it once and switch off the flame. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.